We're now going to talk about nail shapes. Understanding the nail shapes is essential for creating balanced, durable, and aesthetically pleasing results. A professional technician must choose shapes based on natural nail condition, length, and client's lifestyle, not only preference. Square shape. The square shape has straight side walls with a flat, free edge. It's strong and structured, making it suitable for short to medium length nails. However, sharp corners can be prone to catching and breaking if not softened slightly. This shape is ideal for clients who want a clean, classic look. Round shape. The round shape follows the natural curve of the fingertip. It's one of the strongest and most practical shapes, making it ideal for very short nails or clients with active lifestyles. It reduces the risk of breakage and it's easy to maintain. Oval shape. The oval shape has softly rounded side walls and a curved free edge. It creates an elegant appearance and it visually elongates the fingers. This shape works best for medium length nails and provides a balance between strength and style. Almond shape. The almond shape tapers gradually toward a soft point at the free edge. It elongates the fingers and it creates a sophisticated look. It requires good nail strength and it's most suitable for medium to long nails. Coffin. The coffin shape tapers from the side walls and has a flat, square tip. It's a dramatic and fashionable shape that requires strong structure and longer nail length. Without proper apex support, it can be prone to breakage. Stiletto. The stiletto shape is a long and sharply pointed. It creates a bold and dramatic appearance, but requires excellent structure and maintenance. It's not suitable for weak nails or clients with very active lifestyles. Choosing the right shape. A professional technician must always consider the natural nail strength, the nail bed length, the client's daily activities, the desired nail length. The goal is always to balance beauty with durability. The strongest nail shape is the one that supports the natural structure while matching the client's lifestyle and maintenance habits.